Hi everyone, so today we are back with another video and we are making a fabric earring which is very simple to make, and these materials are also easily available. So first we have already drawn a circle onto a mount board, and then we are cutting the edges and giving it a proper shape. So once this is done, we are going to take a center and we are going to cut it into half. So next is using a fabric. So I have taken a small piece of fabric and I am selecting a design that I want to be on the top of the earrings, on the piece you can say. So I have got that design and I'm going to cut the extra fabric that's there on the sides. And once that is done, I'm going to cut the edges and I'm going to stick it with the fabric glue. So next, for completing the look, I am using this lace. So this lace, you will find it easily from a market where you can find the raw material for your embroidery or the wools. As you can see, I am sticking it with the help of the fabric glue, and I'll be cutting the extra the lace on the side. So this part is done. Next we are using a jute thread. So for this I'll be just twisting a little of the start point, and I'll be applying some fabric glue and will be making it into a coil. So as I have reached a particular size of the coil that I wanted, I have cut it off, and now I'll be sticking this coil to my base that we have already made. So with the help of the fabric glue, we are sticking this coil onto our base. So once this is done, we are going to leave it for some time, and then also we are going to use some other materials. You can use any materials that's available with you. I have an acrylic like cutout that is flower design, so I'm going to use that as in design and center. So you can see the center looks quite empty, so I'll be using a seed bead to make it look complete, and then with the help of needle I'll be doing a hole to it, and then I'm attaching the hook and making it a complete earring.